Now Donovan's preparing to get rid of the squirrel. Getting some gloves, like a falconer.
For I am the falconer.
He's got a grippy thing. Be handy for exterminating squirrels. Oh.
Okay, where's the squirrel extermination kit?
Plastic bag. Now, are you going to actually pick up the squirrel with that? Oh, no. You're using it as like a... But we use that to pick up paper towels and stuff.
Yeah, it's dead.
Okay. Okay, just keep it away from the changing table. Job well done.
I'm victorious.